Hi everyone. Thank you for visiting our channel.
So a quick overview of the model. In the Contents tab you can see the structure of the model, and by clicking on any of the headlines to be redirected to the relevant worksheet. On the Timing tab you are able to feed the general information for the model, such as project title, responsible, timeline of the model. Additionally, there is a description of the color coding of the model in the same tab. Inputs are always depicted with a yellow font and blue letters. Call-ups, that is direct links from other cells, are in blue font and blue letters, while calculations are depicted with white fonts and black characters. There is also a color coding for the various tabs of the model. Yellow tabs are mostly Assumptions tabs, gray tabs are Calculations tabs, blue tabs are Outputs tabs, that is effectively results or graphs, and finally light blue tabs are Admin tabs, for example, the cover page, contents, and checks. On the Inputs tab, you can adjust the various assumptions of the model based on the specifications and requirements of your business. So effectively you can adjust timeline and flags, taxation, inflation assumptions, profit and loss assumptions, sales, costs of goods sold, overheads, balance sheet assumptions, fixed assets both existing and capital expenditures, working capital assumptions by adjusting the working capital days for inventory, receivables, and payables, debt both short-term and long-term, as well as the share capital. Finally, you can also adjust the discount rates of your project in the weighted average cost of capital tab. On the Calculation tab, all calculations are performed instantly without the need of an Excel macro. Effectively, all inputs assumptions on the previous tab are feeding the Calculations tab for sales, costs, fixed assets, working capital, tax, loans, equity, cash, and the relevant interest rate costs. On the Financial Statements tab you can see the resulting profit and loss, balance sheet, as well as the cash flow of the company and or project. All three statements are integrated, and as such making sure that the accounting equations hold true. In the Valuation tab, evaluation is performed by using the free cash flow to the firm method. Additional investment appraisal metrics are calculated, such as return on equity, net present value, internal rate of return, payback period, and sensitivity analysis. In order to update the you need to enable macros and press the Calculate button. The most important model outputs are summarized in the tables on the KPIs tab, income statement, costs, ratios, cash flows, and balance sheet. Additionally, on the Graphs tab, various charts are depicting revenues evolution, costs, ratios, working capital, and cash flows, as well as valuation ranges. Finally, on the Checks tab, the most critical checks are aggregated in this page. The aggregated check is also depicted in every tab in cell A6.
And that's it. Thank you for your time.